Hello, this is Don Rickert travel fiddle Mountaineer, test number 2. Just another informal one. This time I'm playing through my amp and it sounds great. So I just wanted to share. This is pretty cool. So I'm going to turn this thing around a little bit. So I've got here the Mountaineer plugged in to the Shatton pickup on the side, and that is running, if you can see that, through a Fishman ProEQII 2 preamp and out to my Fender Acoustisonic Junior amp. And I've got it EQ'd to be a little bit more bassy, just to compensate for the lack of body, but it sounds pretty damn sweet. So take a look, or have a listen rather. Let's see if this works. Sounds like my family's home, so more later.